anything. Dick, you call me.
I thought you wanted a grilled cheese sandwich. Here. You can have half of the burger. Eat your grilled cheese sandwich. That's what you asked for.
At the flea market, homeboy.
Oh, you at the flea market?
Yeah, I hit you when I'm done. Don't come out and see you.
You catching the field last night?
Yeah, I got some, man. I don't know how I did it, but I called quite a bit of fucking specs last night. That's weird.
Specs?
Summertime.
Them the ones with
I
what,
got some
man?
beautiful specs last night.
Oh,
Surprised
blue
at that.
Damn.
Yeah, man, some birdie ones too. I'm like, I'm catching
That's what
specs in
she went
summertime.
to.
Yes, she
I
did.
got a bag of it, I was going to get
Man, you ain't
a
coming.
couple bluegills and shit, but I
You ain't
got
coming back.
some specs.
I was looking for you last night.
Man, I didn't get done till after 1 o'clock.
We should take your dog. You want your dog?
No, I wasn't either. I was there waiting on you.
Late as fuck, dude. And the thing is, the fucking police come in Mary Hall Park. They locked the gate. Had to wait on Jaden for like an hour. He didn't let me know what was going on. I was pissed off, dude. The latest
Say
fuck
I'm a
I
chihuahua.
You walk.
You finna kiss me. Say I'm a
I thought maybe around the clock.
chihuahua.
I thought it'd be closed up.
I'm a chihuahua. London.
I walked out of here.
Say I'm a chihuahua. You see you.
Yes.
Will I be him?
Yeah, if I get done, I come out. I got some snakes out here. I got fish.
Okay, I can cook me some of them. No, that's good.
All right, when I'm done, I'll let you know I'm on the way.
Okay, all
Oh,
right.
she's so grown. She be so happy to see us when we came in.
You gonna cook them fish? They're good.
Look, where you got him out of though?
Crazy hell.
Say I'm a chihuahua.